Hello coders, today I'm announcing the coding school that I want to do on Twitch. I'm also going to be talking about how the coronavirus is affecting me. I'll do that later on in this video. So the coding school, what's this all about? I put this out on Discord and I put this out on Twitter. Essentially what's happening at the moment in the world is that everybody is isolating themselves and social distancing. Now, this is will have and is having an impact to how people learn web development. So, due to the current need of social distancing and self-isolation, there's going to be web developers who are not allowed to go to boot camps, coding schools, colleges, evening classes, conferences, meetups, all of that kind of stuff. They're going to be missing out on the social structures that they are used to. And I really do not want this to have a negative impact to people learning to code. So I've been thinking of ways that How to Code Well can help this and help encourage people to continue learning to code. And an idea that I've come up with is to replace one of the streams that we do a week. So if you don't know, I live stream on twitch.tv/How to Code Well on Tuesdays and Thursday mornings at 7 in the morning, as well as Sunday afternoons at 14:30, all GMT. Now, at the moment, we're building the new howtocodewell.net website using microservices, PHP, and Docker, and all of that other good stuff. This is building something. What I would like to do, though, is I would like to focus one of those streams on teaching. So a little bit like how I would teach on just a normal YouTube tutorial, but teach a specific subject of web development. And also, because it's live on Twitch, we're going to have hopefully audience participation as well. So it's a place where you can come and ask questions and just hang out. I'm planning to do this on Thursdays. This is going to be a replacement of the Thursday morning stream that used to be at 7 in the morning. It's now going to be at 9 p.m. GMT, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. It's going to be an hour-long stream. I'm just going to be focusing on one single topic of web development. And the first thing I'm going to be dealing with is teaching HTML. Now, I know that this is all very beginner basic, but that's on purpose. I want to have a very low barrier of entry, and I want to be focusing on the fundamentals over the frameworks. So we're going to be focusing on HTML. But if you've got any suggestions, then please do let me know, either on Twitter at How to Code Well, or here in the comments or on the Discord server. If you've got a suggestion of something that you would like to learn and for me to teach live, then please do so. So that's happening. I'm going to call it Code School Thursdays, and hopefully that will continue on throughout this crazy period that we're all in. Let's just briefly talk a little bit about coronavirus and me, because of course I need to caveat this by saying that nobody knows what's going to happen in the future. So I could get this virus and then not be able to stream and not be able to do How to Code Well. So I need to caveat that with saying this. And the thing is, I am deemed as high risk because, and you might look at me and go, what, you're in your 30s, why? So I have a heart condition. It's CHD/TGA. It's transposition of the great arteries. Basically, when I was born, what happened was my great arteries in the heart were around the wrong way. They were transposed. Therefore, the oxygen didn't circulate very well. I was on life support for a while, when I was born. When I was 1, I had major heart surgery. Basically reconstructed the heart, and I have a flu jab every year. And because of that, because there is an underlying issue, the government have said that people like me and also the elderly need to be staying at home for 12 weeks, which is what I'm doing. I'm staying at home for 12 weeks. Don't worry, we've got loads of food and we've got a huge amount of food for Murphy. So don't worry about that at all. So we're fine. I feel fine at the moment. So I'm hoping that all of this is going to continue on, these streams and so forth. So if you're completely and utterly new to coding, or if you just want a place to kick back and relax whilst watching someone code and actually interacting with the audience in the chat, then do join me at twitch.tv/howtocodewell on Thursday at 9 p.m. GMT, 2100 hours. Thanks ever so much for watching. Keep yourself healthy. Keep washing those hands. Take care, everybody. Happy coding. I'll see you on Thursday. Cheers. Bye. Before we go, I just want to say that if anybody wants to join the Discord channel, then please do so. Go to howtocodewell.net/Discord. There's channels in there for coding help. There's channels in there for coding challenges, new coders, lots of stuff for programming. There's a nice little community that's building up there. So if you've got any coding questions you want to ask, then do check out howtocodewell.net/Discord. Of course, if you want to support the channel and if you want to get early access to some of these podcasts and the tutorials that I've got on the YouTube channel, then do check out our Patreon account. That's patreon.com/howtocodewell. You'll also get access to the pro user Discord channels and the voice chat channels as well. Thanks very much. Happy coding, everyone. I'll see you again in the next one. Cheers. Bye.